Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we have a custom car to review. This is the custom Target stock car that I made from Cars 3. Well, using a Cars 3 model car. Yeah, so without further ado, let's get into the video. So this right here is one of my best customs I've ever, this is the best custom I've ever made because, you know, it's me and I love me. Right here is like probably the second or third best that I've ever made. Yeah, so he's number 57. I don't remember why. Okay, so the reason he's number 57 is because the founder of Target, his name was George Dayton, and I named this car George Dayton, you know, after him. So George Dayton was born on March 6th, 1857. So that's why this car is number 57, because the founder of Target was born in 1857. Yeah. So this car, I'm gonna give you a little bit more information. He's from New York. Now he's American, just like George Dayton, the guy himself. And yeah, so I used some white acrylic paint, right? And I painted the entire car white. And then I got my red paint pen and I basically just drew the entire sides and yeah, and the wheels as well. Yeah, and like all of the red details on here is done with paint pen. There's the top, there's the side. And you know, the front I used a white paint pen for that, and for the thing over here, and this side. And yeah, this is one of my favorite cars I've made. And here's the bottom. I used the Brickyardly from China, I think. Yeah, from China. So this is a really cool car. Let's go ahead and take a look at him on the turntable now. And now let's go ahead and get some B-roll with him. So thank you all for watching today's video of George Dayton, the Cars 3 Target stock car custom that I have made. And I hope that you all enjoyed today's video. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and turn on those post notifications so that you'll never miss when I upload a new video. And this is Rusteze 95 signing out. Bye.